Before we begin, can you tell me in 5 seconds the value of 78 square? I think 99% of you will not able to find the value in the given time, right? Don't be sad. Because after watching this video, and with a bit of practice, that will not longer be the case. Okay, so let's start with an example like 31 square. Divide it into 3 parts like this. Now square the first digit of 31, which will be 3 square equals to 9. So write it here. For now, leave the middle part as it is and focus on the last part. Okay, for now, take the last digit, which is 1, and square it. We get 1, so put it here. Now, for the middle part, multiply both of these digits together and then multiply that product with 2 equals to 6. So put it here, and we are done. The final answer is 961. That was super fast, wasn't it? Now consider a slightly larger example, 42 square. Divide into 3 parts and write 4 square, which will be 16. Next, let us consider the last digit, which is 2, whose square is 4. So write it here. Now for the middle part, we first multiply both these digits, 4 multiply by 2, and then multiply the product with 2 equals 16, since it is 2-digit. So write 6 here and carry 1 here. So final answer is 1,764. Subscribe for more informative videos and like for 3-digit square video.